these keywords to your advantage, you're literally going to go viral. There's no two ways about it, because you must have looked for keywords that you know that the competition is very low and the search volume is literally very high. And that's why I'm actually taking my time here to actually show you this, because when I first started out, I didn't know anything about YouTube SEO. My first video, it actually didn't get a lot of views. So later on, I went to actually discover YouTube SEO, and that way I started getting thousands of views on my videos. So now I'm actually passing on the same formula to you guys, so you guys get to see that this is actually very, very important for you to actually get more views. It should get you more subscribers, and also your channel is actually going to grow as well. And this is one of the videos that I actually created in the past, how to link Pioneer to PayPal. So I'm not going to show you exactly with this video. I'm going to show you how you can literally rank this video on YouTube and get more. And if I come to the keyword search bar here and put in this keyword, how to link Pioneer to PayPal, you can see that the overall score is 69, which means this keyword is literally good, and I can now create videos about this. But I've already done my keyword research before I actually come right here to actually show you guys this. And now I'm just going to click on here where it actually says view all 81 keywords, because I know these keywords actually has competition, and you can see the competition here is very low. And these are the types of keywords that you actually want to be targeting, because you don't have to actually stress yourself much after getting all these keywords, because they're actually going to be the ones to literally get you lots of views. So your video has to be very, very good, one, and if you actually have a very good keyword, that's two. And you also need a thumbnail, a catchy thumbnail that people will actually see. And you can see right here, everything is literally very low, and this is actually perfect good keyword for you that you can actually use to create to actually use on your YouTube video. So what you need to now actually do is to now click on this one here, click on anyone that you feel has lots of search volume with very low competition. The next step is to now go to your YouTube channel and upload your videos. So all you just need to do is just go down here and click on the upload video. But first, it's very, very important to actually install the VidIQ Chrome extension on your browser. So how do you do this? You go to Chrome right here, and you can put in VidIQ Chrome extension here on your browser, and click on here which says VidIQ Vision for YouTube, and click on it, and it's going to take you to the Chrome web store where you get to actually add to your Chrome browser. And you can see right here, this VidIQ Vision for YouTube. So just literally click on add to Chrome. That's if you're actually on the Chrome web store, click on add to Chrome, and it's actually going to install to your browser. And here you can see where it actually says add extension, and click on it. So now we have the VidIQ installed on our browser. So for you to actually access this tool, just click on this extension right here. You can see VidIQ Vision for YouTube. Then you click on this icon here, that's the pin icon, to actually bring it out. And you can see here, this is our VidIQ. So what you literally need to do is to now go to your YouTube channel. So make sure you open up a new tab. So this our VidIQ extension literally appears on your new YouTube tab right here that you open here on using this tab here. And after installing the VidIQ on your Chrome browser, you need to sign up. Basically, I forgot to tell you that part, but you need to literally sign up with Google so you can literally use it on your YouTube channel. It's actually going to appear side by the side of YouTube, so you get to actually see some features that's going to actually help you to optimize your videos. So make sure you actually sign up, and after signing up, everything will literally be fixed. Then you can now come here where it actually says, and you can literally click on the icon here to actually sign in on your browser, to actually sign in here. That after signing up, so you can now literally log in here, so everything gets to actually gets in on your YouTube channel basically. So that way you can now go to YouTube Studio, and I'm not going to show you exactly how you can properly optimize your videos to get seen on search results. And you can see after installing, you're going to see something like this: success, we are redirecting you to YouTube. So after you must have signed up, you're now going to see all this here. This is your watch time hours here, and because it's a brand new channel, you can see it's 0. This is last views in 60 minutes. There's 0 right here, and last view in 48 hours is actually 0, and you can see everything here is 0. So because it's actually a new channel, and you can also click here on this icon here, that's if you want to see the ideas of competitors, trend alerts, most views. But this is actually not what we want to actually use this tool for. So we just want it here to actually show us our stats here basically, so we can still track some details about our channel. So the next step is to now upload a video now. So I'm now going to give you, I'm not going to show you a video, I'm going to upload a video rather on this channel. I'm going to upload a video and optimize that video, so you guys get to actually see how you can optimize videos to actually get seen on YouTube search. So the next step is to literally click on here. You can upload videos using this icon here, which is literally create. So once you click on create, you're actually going to see upload videos. So if you want to actually go live, you can go live where you get to actually stream your videos live, and people get to actually watch your videos, mostly your subscribers. And so we're just going to click on upload video here, click on upload video basically, and that way we'll be able to upload videos to this channel. So the next step is to literally select files here. Click on select files on YouTube. and you can see here it actually says upload complete, processing will begin shortly, and you can see here it says actionable SEO score, that's 0 out of 50. And this is why VidIQ 2 is very, very important for you to actually see your SEO score for that video. So I'm just going to pause this video till everything process. So after processing, it's actually going to say checking. So you actually need to wait for them to literally check your videos. This checks complete, no issues found. So if there's actually any issues found in your video, they're actually going to tell you it. So afterwards, the next step is to now come to your title. And in topic 3, chapter 3, I said I'm going to now show you how to create a catchy title. So this is just creating a title, and how to create a catchy title is to basically know a video title that actually goes viral. You need to actually add these keywords to your title on YouTube. You need to add it to your title here, your video title on YouTube, which is very, very important, because I've actually done my keyword research, and I know that people looking for how to link Payoneer accounts to PayPal, they actually have lots of search results. You need to actually make sure your keywords is actually in your video title, which is very, very good, because you must have done your keyword research and you must have known that how to link Payoneer to PayPal actually has lots of search volume. And you can see right here, this is having 1,481 people are searching for this keyword every single month. PayPal to Payoneer, you can see right here, 3,253 persons are searching for this. PayPal to Payoneer transfer, link PayPal to Payoneer. Now 1,946 people are actually searching for this. So after getting your keywords right, then you want to make sure you put it in your title, which is this one here. So I'm just going to eliminate this one, obviously. So I'm just going to eliminate this, which is how to link Payoneer to PayPal 2022. So the next step is your description. So for you to actually make sure your video gets optimized, where it gets to the point where it actually gets in on YouTube search results, you need to actually make sure your video description is actually well written. So you need to tell your viewers or new audience what this video is all about. So I'm just going to write a very little description here, just to actually tell viewers what this video is all about. So the best way to actually write a good video description is to actually put in your keywords, that's your title keyword first, then later you explain what your video is all about. So you can write up to 150 words here, or up to 100 words, and you want to make sure that you're actually using these keywords to actually build on the description. Anything that you're going to write here, you need to actually make it 150, and Payoneer and PayPal needs to be formed, like you need to create all those words to be around these two right here, and that gives you a lot of edge to actually optimizing your videos to actually get seen on YouTube search results. So the next step is your tags. Very, very important. Never play with this. This is actually very, very important. So the next step is to adding tags to your video. So how do you add tags to your video? You want to go back to VidIQ. You want to go back to VidIQ and click on here, click on as much as you can, and make sure you're actually checking the competition, that the keyword you're actually selecting here are keyword that has very low competition with huge number of search, and they're actually related to your video. So here is link PayPal to Payoneer, click on it. Here's how to link PayPal to Payoneer, click on it. It's actually very low. How to link Payoneer to PayPal, good. How to link Payoneer to PayPal, and you can see the search volume here, they're actually huge. Then you click on copy this one here as well. Then scroll down till you actually have a lot of them. Click on link PayPal with Payoneer. Click on this one here. Click on as much as you can. And afterwards, you're going to see a button below where you get to actually copy those tags. And after copying those tags, you need to now go back to your YouTube channel here and paste the tags right here. And you're going to see the tags, and you can see our actionable SEO score has just increased from 0 to 44.3%, meaning that these tags are actually helpful, and they're actually going to help our videos to actually get seen. So it's actually best if your video can get actionable SEO of up to 40 and above, where you actually say it's green, but make sure you actually try to make it 50. And for we to actually make it 50, you need to make sure your tags, you put in good tags right here, put in more tags here that you know people might actually be searching for, that actually relating to your videos, and you want to make sure that your description is well written as well. So the next step is to upload your thumbnails. Very, very important, because this also plays an integral role. And like I said in topic 3, your thumbnails is the first thing that your audience will actually going to see, new viewers or new audience will actually going to see. So actually use Canva to design this, to actually create these thumbnails here. It's very, very easy. All you need to do is just go to Canva homepage there, and also look for YouTube thumbnails. You're going to see YouTube thumbnails, or you can use the search bar here to actually look for YouTube thumbnails, and that way you get creative to actually create your own thumbnail. So after designing your thumbnails, very, very important, you now need to actually download this thumbnail, then install the then upload the thumbnail rather. So make sure you download the thumbnails, click on download. So the next step is to make sure you rename the thumbnail that you actually downloaded on Canva. So make sure you rename it and use the keywords that you're actually trying to rank for. So we're actually trying to rank for, so you need to actually rename the thumbnail that you actually download from Canva here. It's very, very important. It also has its own huge role to play to make. So you need to actually rename the thumbnail that you actually download from Canva here. It's very, very important. It also has its own huge role to play to making sure your video also gets seen on YouTube search.